Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove your resume from Indeed. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself because this is a very simple thing to do. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So yeah guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here, and after doing that you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see that you can go ahead and log into your account by clicking the sign in button right here that appears in the upper right corner. So after logging into your account, now you'll be back at this home page right here where you can see you can search for whatever job you want and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to remove a resume from Indeed that we have maybe added sometime in the past. So now the first thing we have to do is go ahead and click our profile icon right here in the upper right corner. Click on our profile icon and this is going to go ahead and open up this new menu of options as you can see, and we want to go ahead and select this first option right here that says profile. So guys, go ahead and click on profile, and after clicking on profile, this is now going to go ahead and open up this new menu and this new page where you can see we can manage our resume. So as you can see, we have the button to either upload a resume or build an Indeed resume. So guys, if you have already added a resume, it's going to go ahead and appear right here. So what you will have to do is just go ahead and click on that resume that you want to remove. Click on it guys, select it right here in the list, and after that there is going to appear a trash icon next to the resume name that you'll be able to click, and it will automatically delete the resume from your Indeed profile. And after clicking that trash icon, the resume is no longer going to appear on your profile. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.